Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a real operation on board a ship, that is anchor handling. So let's start.
Right now I am getting ready for anchor station. Before arriving at the anchorage, crew members prepare themselves with proper personal protective equipment. Safety is very important during anchor operations. We wear safety helmet, safety shoes, gloves, boiler suit. Once everything is ready, we proceed towards the forward deck, also called the forecastle, where the anchor machinery is located. Now we are walking towards the anchor station at the bow of the ship. This is where the windlass machine and anchor chain are located. The windlass is a powerful machine used to lower or heave up the anchor. The crew is now preparing the windlass machine. First, the windlass power is turned on. Everything must be checked carefully before starting the operation. Once the bridge gives the command, we begin heaving up the anchor. Now the windlass starts turning and the anchor chain begins to move. This process is called heaving up the anchor. Slowly the heavy chain comes out from the sea as the ship prepares to leave the anchorage. The crew closely monitors the chain movement to ensure everything runs smoothly and safely. After some time, the anchor finally breaks free from the seabed. Now we can see the anchor coming out of the water. It is always interesting to watch, because the anchor is usually covered with mud or sand from the seabed. The crew carefully observes the anchor while it is being pulled back into its housing. Now the anchor is almost back in its original position. This position is called anchor right home. It means the anchor is fully secure in the hawse pipe and ready for sailing. The windlass stops once the anchor reaches its final position. Now the bosun places the bow stopper bar. This stopper helps secure the anchor chain and prevents movement during the voyage. After that, the crew tightens the brake on the windlass. This ensures the anchor chain remains completely secure. From the front of the ship you can clearly see the bulbous bow. This special design helps reduce water resistance and improves fuel efficiency. From this position, you also get an amazing view of the sea and the ship's bow cutting through the water. It's one of the best views on the entire ship. Later in the evening, the ship arrives at another anchorage area. Now the crew prepares again for dropping anchor at night. The anchor is slowly lowered into the water while the crew monitors the chain length and tension. And that's how anchor operations are carried out on board. From heaving up the anchor to anchoring again at night. Teamwork and safety are always the top priority. I hope you enjoyed this real ship operation. If you like life at sea and ship operations, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video from the sea.